We're just about a month away from Samsung's official unveiling of the highly anticipated Galaxy S24 series. However, you don't have to wait until the official announcement to get a sneak peek at these new flagship phones. Notorious tech leaker Evan Blass, known for sharing insider information, recently posted a revealing image on Twitter that provides key details about the Galaxy S24 launch event. According to this image, the next significant Galaxy event is set to take place on January 18, 2024 at 3:00 a.m. This is when Samsung plans to introduce its latest phones to the world. The image also hints at the arrival of Galaxy I, suggesting that the Galaxy S24 series will come equipped with new smart features powered by artificial intelligence. Interestingly, the image uses sparkle emojis reminiscent of those associated with Google Bard, hinting at potential features inspired by Google's technology. Leak images have also surfaced, showcasing the array of colors available for the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. Furthermore, the identification numbers corresponding to versions tied to specific phone carriers and those without carrier ties were discovered on AT&T's website. The Galaxy S24 series is expected to place a strong emphasis on AI capabilities. These phones will be powered by either the Exynos 2400 or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processors, both of which are capable of on-device AI processing. This opens the door to exciting AI features, such as real-time language translation during phone calls, speech-to-text conversion for up to 10 people in voice recordings, text conversion and summarization in Samsung Notes, image expansion, wallpaper generation, and much more. Evan Blass also shared official specifications for the Galaxy S24 series. Starting with the Galaxy S24, it boasts a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340x1080. The display is fortified with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and aluminum 2.0 for added durability. The device features a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera, a 50-megapixel primary rear camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while European models will run on the Exynos 2400. The phone offers 8 GB of RAM and storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB, utilizing US 4.1 technology. It houses a 4,000 mAh battery with 25 AU fast charging and supports 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. It runs on One UI 6 based on Android 14 and is expected to be released in February 2024 with an estimated price range of $850 to $900. Moving on, the Galaxy S24 Plus, it features a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120x1440. The display is also protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and aluminum 2.0. For selfies, it sports a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the rear, you'll find a powerful camera setup consisting of a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while European models run on the Exynos 2400. The phone offers a substantial 12 GB of RAM and storage choices of 256 GB or 512 GB, leveraging US 4.1 technology. It packs a robust 4,900 mAh battery with 45 AU fast charging and supports 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. It runs on One UI 6 based on Android 14, and the expected price for this device is around $1,050. Finally, let's explore the flagship of the lineup, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It boasts a generous 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088x1440. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, the phone shines with an outstanding camera setup, including a remarkable 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 10x optical zoom. Notably, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all regions, setting it apart from the S24 and S24 Plus, which stick with the Exynos. It offers a substantial 12 GB of RAM with storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB, utilizing US 4.1 technology. The device houses a robust 5,000 mAh battery with 45 AU fast charging support and features 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. It runs on One UI 6 based on Android 14, and the expected price for this premium device is approximately $1,250. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra introduces a fresh design with enhanced durability and a significantly brighter display, accompanied by upgraded hardware and a host of new AI features. The decision to include the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all Ultra models appears to be a smart move by Samsung, and the overall improvements across the entire lineup suggest that these phones are poised for success. While existing S23 Ultra owners might not rush to upgrade, the S24 series is an excellent choice for those with older Samsung phones or those considering their first S-series phone. As we approach the official launch date, more details are likely to surface, and I'll continue to share them as soon as they become available. Stay tuned for more updates, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, peace out.